India's average is 27% women return back into workforce post-maternity.
What?
And
What is missing in mental health infrastructure in this country?
already health पे budget it's less, mental health तो उससे भी बहुत कम है.
दूसरे देशों में 9 to 5 होता है, इंडिया में 9 to 9, 9 to 12, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday सब होता है.
Organizations think ये wellness वगैरह की strategies are only for people who are stressed, depressed. कभी-कभी लोग हमें ये बोलते हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे लोग happy हैं. हम 5-day work week काम करते हैं, हम बहुत अच्छी salary देते हैं, तो we don't need all these things.
तो what is that one thing कि schools में हर school में सिखाना ही चाहिए, which would really help in a child's mental health journey? Hi Richa, welcome to the Momcast.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
Yeah, तो मैं इधर उधर की बात बाद में करूंगी. पहले सीधे सीधे मुद्दे पे पहुंचेंगे हम लोग, जिसके लिए मैं ये पॉडकास्ट कर रही हूँ, जिसके लिए आपको बुलाया. You're the expert in the room, right? On all things mental health. First of all, congratulations for doing such great work, such relevant work that you're doing with your dost, right? थोड़ा
Thank you
सा
for that.
yeah, mental health is the need of the hour, right? And जो आपने platform create किया है, and that's working with people of all age groups, working with people across organizations, schools, colleges, इतने wide level पे, I don't think India में somebody has done a mental health initiative, right? So that's very commendable.
Thank you.
Makes you the perfect guest for the subject that's been bothering me. तो मैंने भी कॉर्पोरेट में, इंडियन कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज में ऑलमोस्ट 8 साल काम किया है, राइट? सो कुछ महीने पहले जो ये इवेंट हुआ था ऑफ एना सेबेस्टियन पेरेल्स डेथ, राइट, दैट वाज रियली पर्सनली मुझे उसका काफ़ी दुख हुआ था. Such a young life, right? 26 years old. And by all accounts that we've heard, she was stressed, overworked. उसे वर्क प्लेस पे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट भी नहीं मिला था, राइट? सो दैट वाज ऑल वेरी ट्रैजिक,
It was.
राइट? एंड इन माय एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल, इंडियन वर्क प्लेसेस में थोड़ा वो टॉक्सिक वर्क कल्चर नॉर्मलाइज हो गया है. लाइक हाफ द टाइम्स हमें मालूम ही नहीं है कि कुछ गलत भी है. सब बस मतलब करे जा रहे हैं, काम चल रहा है, काम चल रहा है, एंड वी डोंट रियली नो दैट समथिंग इज ऑफ, राइट? एंड तब फिर ऐसे केसेस आते हैं विच मेक यू सिट बैक एंड थिंक,
Yeah.
राइट? तो रिचा, कैन यू shed some light on कि ये ऐसा हो क्यों रहा है, right? Why are we in this situation with Indian workplaces?
Thank you so much, first of all, for having me here. Super excited to be talking about this subject. I think this is a subject very close to my heart. And you started with corporates as a space. I think, yes, of course. So as at Yodos also, we work with 500 plus organizations, right? And this is, um, if you look at some recent data, अभी 2023 का शायद ADP रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट का डेटा है, 2 out of every 3 employees goes through moderate to severe stress, right? Globally, that number is 1 out of 2. So it is 67% here, it is almost 53% in globally, right? Which means that people are, it's a lot of people, right?
Lot of people.
And in India, people don't talk about these things. Research also says that if organizations spend or invest into employee well-being, it also increases their profitability, some annual operations. It's also a business strategy if they look at it in the right way. But it is a complex subject, right? It's not like one size fits all. ऐसा करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. Honestly, because you brought up Anna's case, and it was a very heartfelt letter from her mother, right, which shed light on what she was going through. Just before that was also this young bright mind from McKinsey who took his life, right? And in fact, I also, I work in the area of mental health. B, I also talk to a lot of my friends who are founders, who are CXOs, and something that I've realized, work-life balance, wellness, this is not a concept leaders are still comfortable to talk about, right? It's also because there are a lot of myths around the subject, right? For example, there's this feeling that it has to be same for everyone, right? But it's not like a one thing fits all. It's not a one concept that fits all. the way a work-life balance would look like for you might be very different for me, right? I know when I just started my career, I used to put in we a lot more a certain number of hours at office, right? Say 9 hours, etc. at office. But I also used to enjoy. I was in that learning phase. I also wanted to learn a lot more product management, a lot more this that. So I would take up another job which was outside my office hours, right? But I've always also done a lot of yoga, meditation. I would always go for run. But I think the point I'm trying to make, whereas for someone, I know for somebody like me, I know it's a 5 p.m. hard stop right now because 5 o'clock my son has to go down for run and walk. So even if there is something which is left over, I pick it up from 8:30 onwards. Right, but I would be in office around say 8 to 5 is what I would do if sort of required. So I think that understanding for somebody who might have ailing parents, who might have children, or who might have something else also that they are interested in, right? So it's not like, I think also people to understand, it's not like one size fits all कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, right? Sometimes people also say हम इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात करने लगेंगे, so people will stop working hard. I've also heard a lot of my friends and CXs and founders saying this, which is right. हम बोलेंगे people think it is all about 8 hours work. Probably not. It is 8 hours, or probably it's about productive work, right? And I think one of the things in India specifically is that for us, a lot of social breaks are also there, which would make. Whereas I worked a little bit in the US, right? People came in at a certain time, left at a certain time, but everything was very focused on work at that point. There was nothing else that was happening, right? Whereas in India, there's also other things are also happening, and some people probably that's the only because they have made friends here, they enjoy, so they also extend sometimes in those way, right? Also, I feel like well, it's also important for us to focus on things like work-life integration, right? That how like
Not just work-life balance.
yes, right? These are not like I feel like work and life are not two different things. We all have one life, yeah. Come on, that's life, right? It's
Agreed,
not like there's
agreed.
work and there is life separately,
Yeah.
right? I think it's also our responsibility to integrate that, right? Saying, I'll give you an example. We were invited this year to visit Prime Minister of the country, and you are Amrita, new mom, right? I know he was few months old. I was feeding him. I'm like, दिल्ली जाना है, इतनी ठंड में इसको छोड़ के तो नहीं जा सकते, right? I asked them, will it be okay if I bring my son around? They were like, yeah, we'll make arrangements. We would not want you to choose between this opportunity because once in a life opportunity and your son both are important. Why don't you come? And they made provisions for my husband Puneet, him as well. They made all the security checks was given to this 4 month.
That's great to hear. That's great to hear.
Yes. So
Yeah.
I think the point I'm also trying to make, it's also important for us to say this is important, right? A lot of times we also, like I know a lot of people who would write to us for interview, they would suddenly call up saying, hey, help is not there, I can't come, my child. I'm like, bring your child in, yeah? Did we ever tell you don't bring your child? Bring your child, he or she will sit outside, mama will do her interview, right? Or papa will do her interview, whatever. But I think so, I feel like organizations also need to understand that workplace well-being or investing into this is also a business strategy. It will improve their top line, it will make people to stay, and people will be more productive. And there's a lot of research around this. As individuals, I feel like we are also big stakeholders. Cultivating our mind is also our own responsibility, and we need to also stand up for that.
So what I'm understanding from everything that you said is कि एक तो organizations को flexible होना पड़ेगा, right? They need to understand that their employees have different needs and one size does not fit all, right? So, but again, you can't make 100 solutions. So some generic framework will have to be agreed upon that works for as many people as possible, right? And dusra, the employees will also have to communicate their needs better because right now कुछ ऐसा हाल है कि हम सब ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया हुआ है कि
Exactly.
यही है,
Yes.
ऐसे ही होता है,
Yes.
ऑफिस जाना है.
Yes.
दूसरे देशों में 9 to 5 होता है, इंडिया में 9 to 9, 9 to 12, मंडे टू फ्राइडे, सैटरडे संडे सब होता है. ठीक है,
We
तो
need to move from hours to productivity.
hours to
That's it.
productivity. Yes, yes,
Right?
yes. You also rightly mentioned social breaks वाली बात कि ऑफिस में बहुत social breaks होते हैं. I feel like maybe that is also the only way people can relieve some of the stress, right? कि if they don't take those frequent breaks, तो anyways they are going to spend so much time at work, they're not going to get any relief from the work pressure. But the flip side is again what you mentioned कि क्या कहते हैं, they don't have a social life, उनका social life भी
मतलब
पूरा ऑफिस में ही है.
come at 8, leave at 5. Who's asking you to stay more, right?
Yes.
Go back, enjoy, learn yoga, learn dancing,
Yes,
do
yes.
theater, whatever you like, right?
Yes, yes,
But
absolutely.
if we also start taking control of that, this is how I want to design my life. For some people, it's okay. They find a lot of कि मेरे friends भी हैं. I'll probably hang out with them, right?
Yeah,
Which is
yeah.
also okay. But
Yeah.
you need to know what works for you.
What works for
Right?
you?
And where you
Correct.
said we cannot have 100 different solutions, which is correct,
Yes,
right?
yes.
But see, if you're the wellness for your organization has to be for your organization. What I mean by that,
Right.
if you're more blue collar employees, right?
हाँ.
The way wellness, I would design wellness strategy for my organization would be very different for an organization which has, say, all techies.
Right,
Right?
right, right.
Uh,
Absolutely.
If I have
हाँ.
younger people, I have older people. So my things have to be designed accordingly, right?
हाँ.
According to my age group, according to my gender, according to the industry I am in. Are more people immigrants, right? Like I know a lot of people who are immigrants actually prefer spending time, more time, because that is their social circle, right?
Right, right,
So
right.
एक बार वो समझना कि मेरे
हाँ.
लोग कौन से हैं,
Right,
उनसे
right, right.
इनपुट लेना,
किसके लिए आप
किसके
strategy
लिए बना
बना
रहे
रहे
हो,
हो?
and
Right.
we'll keep that open dialogue and see
Right.
हम ऐसे, it's not about कि हम ये करेंगे ये करेंगे ये करेंगे. Lot of HRs would sometimes do that, right?
Yes, they do. That was something I wanted to
It's
say.
like a tick in the
mark.
check box.
Exactly.
हमारे पास भी बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं,
हाँ.
organization size 5,000. I want to spend 1 rupee per person per month, right? That's 5,000 rupee I want to give to organization like ours to help them design their wellness strategy, right? That's like, what could you do? But for them to also say that I have this in place, right? I have mental wellness support, right?
Just a tick mark.
It's a tick mark.
It's a tick mark.
Right? But whereas there are organizations who say this is my people are my strength, it's my core. These are the things, please help me understand, be my consultant, see what are the best practices that can be put. Then we design what's the budget, etc. Because see, if you look at it, if it increases आपके लोगों की productivity, your top line is increasing because of that, your people are being more productive.
Big reason.
Right?
To
It's
do
a big
so.
reason
It's
to
a big
invest.
reason to do so.
Right?
Right, right, right.
Sometimes also I feel like organizations think कि wellness वगैरह की strategies are only for people who are stressed, depressed. ये ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं हमारे organization में. Whereas मुझे ऐसे लगता है mental health is an everyday thing for everyone.
Yes, yes,
It's not
yes.
like छोटे pocket में ना, कभी-कभी लोग हमें ये बोलते हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे लोग happy हैं. हम 5-day work week काम करते हैं, हम बहुत अच्छी salary देते हैं, तो we don't need all these things. Right? But probably that perspective that it is for everyone to be better.
Yes.
Right?
Preventive mental
mental
health
health.
care.
Yes.
उसका नहीं तो जब mental health का ही फंडा भी क्लियर नहीं तो preventive में तो थोड़ा टाइम
Time
लगेगा
लगेगा.
मुझे लगता है. Right. And you are very right about this. ये आई थिंक बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का ये होगा कि 5 days वर्क वीक है, हम अच्छी सैलरी दे रहे हैं, तो फिर मतलब हमें और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट एज दोज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस गेट बिगर, दे बिकम ENY लेवल कंपनीज, जिसमें आना काम करती थी, राइट? तो फिर वो उतने से आपका काम नहीं चलेगा. फिर आपको और स्टेप्स लेने ही पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू मैनेज सच अ लार्ज टीम and their well-being solely through क्या कहते हैं,
एक होता है your person employee, right? Are you
Right.
providing them the right strategies on social wellness, emotional wellness, physical wellness, all of these, right? Financial wellness, all of these. But then there is also environment. Environment is also my colleagues, right? Environment, if let's see, if I want to seek support and my manager is like, क्या बकवास कर रहे हो? Support is there, right? So it's also important that my manager is trained, right?
Yes,
It should be an
yes.
agenda of the organization. A leader has to speak saying well-being of my people is an important strategy for me. It's an agenda of the organization, right? Like we've worked with certain organizations where leaders actually walk the talk. They are the first ones saying these are the things, like be it run, be it counseling sessions, be it self-help strategy, that they are leading by example. तो
Right.
बाकी लोग भी करने में घबराते नहीं हैं.
And you're seeing this happen.
I see this in some
That's
progressive organizations. This is how it becomes mainstream. कि
That's
सब
good.
लोग करते हैं. अरे मैनेजर कर रहे हैं, लीडर कर रहे हैं. Like Capillary we work with.
Mm.
Anish, who's the founder, is the first guy to be present in anything that is happening, because that's core for him, right?
So I feel like something like this, mental health sensitivity, this will have to be a top down thing.
Yes.
कि ऊपर से if your leader, your
Yes.
senior leadership, your manager, management,
Yes.
all of them are like focused on this, कि this is
Yes.
as important as your delivery
Yes.
items.
Yes.
Then फिर वो
Yes.
actually वो it will stick and
Stick.
not just be an HR की list में tick
yes.
mark.
It's not a HR
Right.
initiative. Otherwise क्या होता है? There might
Hmm.
be 20 other initiatives. This is one of the initiative. आज कुछ और करते हैं.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right?
And we know about HR initiatives, how they pan out.
Right.
Right. Often employee participation is forced because everybody is like, मुझे काम करना है, मुझे ये नहीं करना है.
Right.
Right. But you made some very valid points, Richa. उसी को expand करते हुए, some things you covered, but I also want to know, because your dost works with so many companies, and here I also want to give a little brief about your dost, so for the audience.
I
So-
haven't asked Amrita for that. Just clarifying.
Yeah, okay, so I'm clarifying and you will build on that in the
Sure,
next question that I want to ask. So from my understanding, your dost is an online platform jo ki it connects people to experts who can help them navigate any personal, professional, academic issues that they might be dealing with, and it also works with companies, organizations, schools, colleges, right? तो आपने इतने सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कंपनीज के साथ ऑलरेडी काम कर लिया है. What do you think, what are some of the biggest gaps that you're seeing in mental health infrastructure in workplaces in India?
I think still there's a lot of stigma. Right?
Still, like even in
yeah.
urban centers.
It is.
Wow.
It is.
Okay.
And I think stigma is something that we see. Again, the willingness of organization to say this is important. But it is getting better, right? We started, 10 years back?
Yes.
At that time, even to talk about, we do both online, we also do physical, but primarily online. I think what we've realized is more people prefer online as an option. क्योंकि स्टिग्मा ऑलरेडी है. आई माइट वांट टू सीक सपोर्ट रात के 12 बजे 1 बजे, व्हेन आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट थिंग्स, ऑनलाइन enable you to do that.
Right.
While
right,
there are
right,
some people
correct.
who prefer physical, which also we enable. But I think coming back to your question, why are I think initially a lot of people will say, I don't know what it is. I think it is getting better, but still there is a lot of stigma.
Right.
Right? And I think another is organizations saying this is, for a lot of organization, it's also a tick in the checkbox. Ki heavy, but I don't want to put spend on it, or you know what? One organization just very recently cancelled with us. Right? It doesn't happen. We have a very good retention rate, and I was so surprised. I'm like, we are working with you for 4 years. So many people are seeking. It's like you guys are doing fantastic work. So I'm like, then why are you cancelling? He's like, बस कुछ नया भी तो होना चाहिए ना.
मतलब
कि हर महीने हर साल कुछ नया. So employees should know I have a new name in place. Right? I'm like, this is not like कि नया menu बना के देना होता है लोगों को. Right? But I think what the point I'm trying to make is the stickiness that people are comfortable with you. That is you need to invest into it, right? So that your partners also become part of the organization. They understand your organization. They understand your people. You're also invested. You lead top down.
Right.
वो थोड़ा सा, it is getting better. I think COVID helped a lot of people realize it. For quite a few corporates, I think 50% of the corporates at least we work with, they felt this was important and they carried through it.
Right.
For certain organizations, they said COVID was a stressful time and that's why we did it.
अब क्या
अब क्या
जरूरत है?
जरूरत है?
तो कोविड खत्म हो गया. अब
Exactly.
everybody is now come to office also, not
Yes.
working from home. Why do we
Yes.
need mental health support?
Yes.
Right.
And for some, it's like, चाहिए भी, but this is something, let's buy, let's say 50 sessions, right? And I would just say, see, you have
Right.
mental health support, but I don't want to do anything on, or a lot of people are using it. It looks bad on my books. So I don't want to promote it so much, right? Because
Right.
unlike let's say an HRMS platform
Mm-hmm.
or your any other platform which is mandatory, क्योंकि हमारे MS Office
हाँ
हमने
माइक्रो ये सब तो
सब्सक्राइब किया
चाहिए.
हमको यूज करना ही पड़ेगा. Ours is not a thing which is mandatory, so it requires
Right.
there is stigma, awareness coming, so it requires a lot of hand holding with the organization, with the people to drive awareness and actually do any meaningful work.
Right.
So
Right.
that I
Right.
think that has to be
That might take time. That might
and
take
that should
time.
be a, like both the parties needs to come together and say this is important.
So how are you navigating this? Like अब ये सारे issues तो हैं कि ठीक है people don't think that it's a mandatory thing to
Yeah.
do, right? COVID के time पे कर लिया अब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. या फिर like you mentioned कि मतलब for a variety of reasons the stickiness is not there. How are you navigating it?
So I think we've gotten better into it, especially at workplaces, right? Because we are sticking to the. So there is a lot of stickiness of people using,
Right.
right? There is also stickiness. I think what we have also defined our cohort well. I think we have now started choosing who are the organizations we want to also work with. Right at the beginning when we talk to their leaders, their HR heads, and if we think this is just one of the things in the tech box, we walk out saying we might not be the right people. Right? Also, we have started doing profiling of कि हमें कैसे लोगों के साथ काम करना है, right? And you ask, once we start the partnership, सबसे पहले we also try to involve their leaders into the whole thing. So that they are also talking about importance of mental health and well-being in the organization. We are also trying to educate a lot of managers saying how could you support your team better. कैसे आप देख सकते हो somebody is going through a tough time. We are all trained into physics, chemistry, maths, or whatever is our subject, right? Very few people are actually trained into कि how do you identify someone is going through a tough time. क्या देखो और देख भी लो तो बोलो क्या. Maybe your intentions are right. These are also skills that should be thought as skill, not because हम तो human है, हर कोई counseling कर सकता है, हर कोई mental health क्या है ये तो हर कोई कर सकता है. I think so. Doing a lot of, I said, right, one is the employee, one is the environment. Initially, we also try to sensitize a lot of environment because if that is there, employee will make use of all the support and there'll be a culture of care in the organization, which is I think very, very important.
So basically what you're trying to see now is what we also discussed in the first question. You're trying to see the intent.
Yes.
Right? Ki leadership ki intent sahi hai. Yani, are they taking this seriously? Will they actually invest in it long term? Right? And they're not just in it for a tick mark sort of a thing. We talked about intention, but कई बार like we mentioned before also कि क्या कहते हैं हमारे यहाँ इतना normalize है ना एक toxic work culture often कि अनजाने में the companies can really end up harming the employees' mental health. So what are some things that you've seen, right, which you're like, ki, okay, which companies just do unintentionally that can really hamper an employee's mental health?
Yeah, I have another approach also to it. I feel like things are getting better with Gen Zs in the workforce. I think they're more aware.
They are
more aware. And
they seem to be.
They seem to be.
They seem to be, yeah.
I think if you look at wellness across generation, right? If you might have people in the say 50 and above, they would value more things like health checkup हो रहा है, medical insurance मेरा कैसा है, etc. Gen Z is actually because also they are more exposed to social media that has also done them a lot of harm, etc.
Yeah.
They also ask for these things, right? And I believe organizations, I think it's important for organizations to listen. Right. If people are asking, then and why are people asking for it, right? So, and what are the ways to do that? I think मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है these are the organization policy which could harm. See, you're coming in knowing those things, so it's also important for you to sort of know what is important, right? अगर आप किसी भी because you said organization, right? I don't think there would exist an organization जिसका ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा मुझे लोगों को हार्म करना है.
नहीं, not intentionally, but unintentionally. For example,
That's because it gets lost, Amrita. Right? Maybe that's why if you work with the leaders, उनका intention सही होता है, but probably
somewhere down
somewhere
the
they're down, right?
line,
But
yeah.
and for an individual, it's their manager who is the culture.
Yes.
Right? EY का originally culture क्या है? I really don't know. But for that person, it's probably the manager. And I'm sorry, I'm just taking one.
No,
Even
you're
any
absolutely
organization you
right.
see,
You're absolutely right.
even
Yeah.
for your those, if your manager is not manager or whatever is your circle where, and that's why it's important for organizations to make sure, because everywhere you go, written में everything would be right only.
Right.
Right?
But उसका execution कैसा
कैसा
हो
हो
रहा
रहा
है?
है?
That is what is important.
matters. And
Yes.
are you investing in training those people? Are you monitoring those हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
Right.
Do you have metrics around that to say, like हम लोग measure करते हैं actually organization में, when we start we have something called culture compass, and we push कि हमको ये करना ही है.
Right.
if while an individual can see how is their wellness level on, say, career, physical, social, there are 7-8 dimensions.
Right.
An organization can also see what is employee wellness levels overall as a cohort, but also what is their psychological safety in the organization. Do they feel safe अपने जो उनके मन में चल रहा है बात करने के बारे में, right? Or they just leave saying it's a personal problem and I'm leaving. Right?
I'll be interested to know the scores.
Third is also how belong they feel in the organization.
Yes.
And based on those scores, because I think wellness is also very क्या बोलते हैं, complex term. Nobody understands इसको measure कैसे करेंगे. Strategy बनाएंगे तो उसको मतलब it should be measured, right?
It should be measurable.
Profit and
Otherwise,
loss you could say. Otherwise, it's what you think versus what I think.
Yes.
So we are trying to bring that objectivity. These are my 3 parameters: belongingness, social, psychological safety, and wellness level of people. And wellness is these 8 dimensions.
Right.
And where are I when I'm starting? Where am I 6 months later? Where am I 12 months later? And then your plans are accordingly. है ना कि ये एरिया में जैसे हमने कहीं पे देखा at some organization which is, let's say, which is in blue collar workforce, हमने देखा lot of people were into gaming
Right.
addiction. उसकी वजह से lot of this rummies,
Yes.
right?
I know what you're talking about.
And a lot of people play are people from low income background for easy money.
Right.
अभी मेरा कोई जो 25,000 रुपए कमाता है spent 5 lakh into that. Imagine, and when you understand that is also one important thing that you're trying to address. अभी मुझे पता ही नहीं है, I might run 50 things, but if I don't know what is my people, where I need to work on, it becomes tough. तो वो measurement लाना, I think that's why for organization to put in those measurement and then systematically go like you will do for any other strategy that you'll put in an organization.
Got it.
या product बना रहे हो, आप metrics देखते हो ना?
Right.
And otherwise it's just I like, you like. But is it impacting?
So basically, you'll have to first figure out what it is that your employees are suffering from.
Yeah.
Right. And then craft strategy accordingly.
Suffering, I wouldn't use the word suffering, but what is important for them?
What is important for them? Okay. As a company.
As a company.
Right?
Are they feeling belong? Have you created, you might think, right? Everybody would think we are open door policy. People can just walk in. People also think that. Right? In fact, there was this study actually, a lot of where employers say, some 80% or so employers say we have good wellness strategy in place, whereas only 50% of those employees feel that is actually there.
Yeah. What leadership thinks and what employees think is always two complete polar opposite things. But you did make a good point about कि एक employee के लिए the work culture is basically team culture. It's what the manager of the team dictates.
Right.
And India में एक थोड़ी सी problem तो है कि managers are often micromanagers and not leaders. That is a very common problem.
Because I think we don't spend on training them.
Also. We don't spend on training. Leadership trainings do happen, but I don't know, maybe they're too far for people too far up the leadership pole and not for middle management or what it is. You will know that better. But it hardly seems to be impacting or not making enough impact.
I think that's
right.
the word,
वो micromanagerial tendencies जो होती हैं, that are deep rooted कि मतलब अगर काम करवाना है तो ऐसे करवाना है, which I think would be a big reason
Yeah.
for work related
Yeah.
stress and like overwork and burnout or whatever it is that a lot of
Yeah.
employees feel.
Yeah, it's also see, a lot of these people are good ICs. You're a good individual
Yes,
contributor, then you
yes.
become a manager.
Yeah,
So it's
two
also
different
good
skills.
skills,
Two
right?
different skills.
But
Yes.
I also feel, again, I'm coming back to, see, I might change 50 organization, 500 organization, 5,000 organization,
Hmm.
right? 50,000 but there is going to be a lot of organizations, right?
Hmm.
I think it's also as employee, it's very important. See, I know Yodos is a work from office for majority of our teams, right? Except our experts team for that matter.
Right.
For someone who knows this doesn't work,
Hmm.
I think they should also understand these things and understand this is not the right place to work for me,
Hmm.
right? Some organization also 6-day working for example. If it doesn't work for you, you don't opt in for something like this, because if you come in and then say the culture, it's something that you should also know about when you're coming in.
Self-awareness to what works for you
For
and
you and what
हाँ,
doesn't, right?
don't put yourself in a situation where you know
हाँ.
that it will not be good for you.
Right.
But ये भी है कि आजकल a lot of people often don't have options to choose, so then they have to willingly put themselves in a situation which maybe mentally is not the best for them, and
That's
then they
true.
kind of have to make the best of a bad situation.
Yeah.
Right?
Like I remember a few days back one lady applied to us in sales, right? And she was a very young kid, 3-4 months old, right?
Right.
And I know our sales require you to travel across the country.
Right.
I was very open about it. See,
Right.
will you be comfortable? Right?
Hmm.
And then she said, I might be comfortable once a month. Right?
Hmm.
As an employer, I was thinking, is that restriction, does that work for me? It might work for me in some other position.
Yeah.
But sales for me will close only when you're going, right? At that point, if I start, then I'm like, maybe this is not the right fitment at this point in time, right? But I think it's also important, because this was something that we also clearly call out. I think as employer also, you should tell them. I think army never tells you we are going to give you work-life balance and a nice environment. They are very clear, right? What
It
are
is
you
what it
getting
is.
into?
Yeah.
It is going to be strenuous. This is so. I think that goal for leaders, it's important that you tell what are we going towards. Is that important enough for you? And these are the situations that you're going to work in.
Yeah.
Right?
Right expectation setting both ways.
Right.
Yeah.
We have our office, mostly our teams work, say 9 hours a day, right? But we also have people who are suicidal clients would come in, and we call these red flag cases, and we inform their caregiver or organization so that they could. Now they come in, I tell them this could come in at 12 in the night. Are you? ऐसा नहीं है रोज आएगा, पर हो सकता है किसी महीने में 10 बार भी आ जाए. Right. Are you okay? Some people are not okay, and that's okay. I think both दोनों sides से, I think for us
expectation setting होनी चाहिए.
What are you getting into?
That also is a skill that is missing in both employers and employees, which they have to learn, and hopefully that will happen over time. I think Gen Z is pretty good
better at it. Yeah, it's getting better.
Yeah, and Gen Z, I think, will help us all learn that skill.
Yeah.
I have high hopes, by the way.
Same. Yeah.
Okay, so from like this is an extension of what we are already discussing. अभी हम discuss कर रहे थे कि corporate setup में क्या missing है, but at a national level, right? You're working with schools, you're working with colleges, you're working with companies. You recently talked about an event where the Modi government invited you, right? What is at a national level, government level, what is missing in mental health infrastructure in this country, and what sort of changes do you think we can make to kind of to make the infra better? Yeah.
I'll again probably break it down into cohorts, right? Probably the budget on the already health पे budget it's less. Mental health तो उससे भी बहुत कम है.
Right.
I think that's definitely one, because if you're talking about government level, corporates also, like you said, right? I think some things should be at a policy level. Like for a maternity leave, it's not like what I like as a corporate I can do.
Yeah.
It is
Thank God
defined.
for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, India is actually one of the progressive, I feel like, maternity benefits,
It
right?
is. It is. Yeah.
कहीं और 6 महीने paid leave नहीं होती है. US and all, there's absolutely nothing, right?
US is I think 4 weeks or something. I'm not
वो भी
sure.
नहीं है.
वो भी नहीं है. हाँ.
It's not paid.
Yeah.
I think it's unpaid. They'll
Hmm.
hold the position. Some people, there's some
And it
Europe
varies
countries.
because I don't think there's a government directive about it. So
That's what I'm
varies from
saying.
company to
Company to
company.
company. So
हाँ.
some companies give 6 months, some give, but that's where government comes in. Government can put danda and say,
Yeah.
सबको ये करना है. Similarly, like posh, right? If you're above a certain number of people in the organization, you need to have a posh policy.
What is a posh policy?
Prevention of sexual harassment.
Oh, right.
Right? It is mandatory by law.
Yes.
Right? So it's not left to organization to say हमको चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए.
Correct.
Right? Similarly, around mental health, it should be probably, I feel like it should be mandated कि ये होना चाहिए. Right?
Absolutely.
I also believe in colleges. Colleges also, if you look at 75% of students, not 75, the number is 83% of students at Indian University. This is National Health Survey, if I'm not wrong. India 2023 only, 23 or 22. 83% of the students at Indian college go through moderate to severe stress. And 2023 data, 2015, this number was 71%. Right? So it's on a rise.
It's on a rise.
Government also gives directives कि आपको counseling cell होना चाहिए, some, but it's very loose. Every teacher is like, हम है भी, हम counselor है ना, हम counseling कर देंगे. But to define कि professionally run होना चाहिए,
Right.
online, offline, it's above a certain number, and that certain number is very less actually.
Right.
It should be there. While government has those, ensuring that it's been followed in a certain way.
Execution again.
Right?
Yeah.
Our health workers, they go through. कौन डॉक्टर के पास जाता है? आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, चलो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, right? Or the patients, like a nurse would see, or a ward boy would see, or a general duty assistant. Some of those cohorts also, I think it's important for government to put policies in place for training, for self-care, for mentoring, for the right courses. ये तो होना ही है. And the quality, एक तो होना ही है, वो तो बोलती है government, but then a lot of people interpret it in their own way.
Yeah, तो room for interpretation नहीं होना चाहिए.
It should be professionally done. Like बहुत सारे colleges के साथ हम काम करते हैं, and some 150 plus, right? A lot of IITs, IIMs, and LPUs and VITs, etc. But I think below, when we go to those colleges, some colleges are very good. They think of this as an important thing for their students, just like corporates, right? But for a lot of colleges, it's also like 20,000 बच्चे, हमारे पास एक काउंसलर है, तो हो गया, हमारे बच्चे बहुत हैप्पी हैं, हम डांस भी कराते हैं, उनसे ड्रामा भी होते हैं, तो हमें जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, right? Some people would say हमारी टीचर्स हैं जो साइकोलॉजी में उन्हें अपनी मास्टर्स करी है, तो जरूरत होता है तो हम उनको बुला लेते हैं, पार्ट टाइम कर लिया. तो वो थोड़ा सा कि होना है, बट ये अच्छे से होना है.
तो बहुत ही वो लूज सा अप्रोच है. हाँ. Which जो वही you're right कि वो policy making के through ही it can be like tightened and executed properly कि ये अगर नहीं है in place तो आप एक institution run ही नहीं कर सकते. This you have to have. Yes,
some good things that government has done is also to give like certain mark in NAC ranking, and that's why if you see majority of the institution we work with, they are high, they are of good stature or good levels, because also because NAC says these things should be there.
Right. What is NAC again?
This is accreditation of these institutions.
Oh, right. National so accreditation, something. Yeah, okay, got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
The colleges which also take these things very seriously, they also put in ki, to create a caring campus, Ashi Amrita, हमने एक study करी है इसमें. There are 8 pillars of a caring campus, and probably we could talk about it later, but some of these colleges which invest into people well-being, invest into students, it's not just कितना placement मिल रहा है, वो अपने आप ऊपर हो जाएगा. Research says that almost 32% increase in academic performance also happens if students' wellness is taken care of.
Right. So this is the something which is common across organizations, schools, colleges. कि अगर आपके employees / आपके students are mentally healthy, fit, they will perform better, which is going to be good for your organization or your school or your placements or for like whatever bottom line is that you want to hit, right? Uske liye it's going to be a great
Yeah,
thing,
I think
right?
it's individual also, right? We are
As an
emotionally well,
individual, of
mentally
course.
well, we'll do better in all spheres
Yeah.
of our life.
या नो एब्सोल्युटली तो मतलब और कुछ नहीं समझ में आए ये एक चीज तो समझ में आनी ही चाहिए लाइक इट्स क्लियर कट right you don't really you're already doing such great work in the field but yeah I really hope your work gets easier and people understand this thing
Yeah,
better
this
right
मतलब इसमें numbers की क्या बात है आप और मैं दोनों जानते हैं if we are doing well if we
yeah
feel better हम जाके we could like move mountains we are more confident we'll do better in our interviews we'll do better at our job but I think
correct
we also have numbers to substantiate it
yes like
right
it's not just a
हाँ
thing that you're saying yeah
पर कम है वो इंडिया में भी उसके अराउंड रिसर्च
right
एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक इट्स आल्सो मास्लोज लॉ ऑफ हायरार्की राइट
Hmm.
मीनिंग पर्पस ऊपर आता है पहले अभी रोटी कपड़ा मकान तो हो सो
पहले
लॉट ऑफ
हाँ करेक्ट
सर्वाइवल तो हो
हाँ
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
yes
देयर आर सम पीपल दे थिंक अगर ये होगा नहीं तो वी कैन नॉट इवन दैट्स फाउंडेशन right so
right
you need more
right
organizations more colleges more schools any cohort you take right hospital to move towards that कि ये तो हमारा फाउंडेशन है
right ये
लोग
होना
मेरे
ही चाहिए
फाउंडेशन है इट्स
yes
ऐसा नहीं कि जब मैं 5,000 के लोग हो जाएंगे तब मैं इन पे काम करूंगा दिस शुड बी
correct
राइट फ्रॉम डे वन योर स्ट्रैटेजी बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल अगर टीम ही नहीं होगी तो हाउ डू यू बिल्ड ऑन दीज थिंग्स
Yeah, you're right about that कि अभी भी most of India and rightly so we have so much poverty in this nation कि हम रोटी कपड़ा मकान में ही कोई sort करने में अभी लगे हुए हैं so this is also very a lot of people might have a very ये तो बहुत first world
फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम
problem है
है
type का
हाँ
approach right which हमारा a lot of urban India is very first world
या
तो अब है first world problem तो है पर अब चाहिए वो right
I wouldn't say it's just like
yeah
urban
no
India.
agreed
I
yeah
think everywhere, right? It is
Hmm.
an everyday thing for everyone,
correct
right?
Hmm.
It could be somebody in rural India. Farmer suicides are on such a big rise,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes,
We do
absolutely.
a lot of work with people from low income background, young adults who were daily wage workers, etc. Go through so much of emotional stress. Family का
Hmm.
support नहीं है. When they come to a new city like a Bangalore, they feel like I don't belong here,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Um,
yes, yes.
if they first time in their whole history of their family, somebody is going out and working, right? They were daily
Yeah,
wage workers. Some of them being sexually abused in the past. So there are
right.
a lot of, I think it is thing for
It
everybody
is a
in
thing for
every
everyone.
scale. It's just that
Hmm.
I think the difference is probably as India, maybe urban India is ready to pay it for it themselves, right?
Hmm.
Usme bhi I feel like not everybody in urban India, but a certain section of
Certain
society.
section.
For everybody else, maybe we need sponsor. Government as a sponsor, corporate as a sponsor,
Yes,
college, school,
yes.
jo bhi hai, whatever that cohort
Hmm.
could be, so that they could be supported. Once they realize कि this is important for me also, they will start paying for it right now.
That's
एकदम से
actually.
कि इसके लिए 500,000 रुपए I have to spend, maybe that is not everybody in India is ready for. But क्या
Yes.
हर किसी को जरूरत है? Absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah. No,
Right?
you're.
Any
Hmm.
socio-economic background, any religion, any place, any age. See, mental health is not just कि मुझे depression, anxiety problem है. I'll give you an analogy. सोचो आप any game that you like. Think of you as a cricketer. You like cricket, right?
Sure, let's do that.
Right? Maybe you had an injury. चोट लगी
Right.
आपको.
Right.
You're coming back to your game. What will you do? आप कोच के साथ काम करोगे so that you come back to your game, right? You
Hmm.
come back to your baseline. अभी आप क्रिकेटर ही हो, आप बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हो, मतलब you are at your best, right? But you want to further up, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खेलना चाहते हो, क्या करोगे? आप तब भी उस कोच के साथ काम करोगे ताकि you up your game. Same is the thing with mental health. It's not just problems is a thing, okay.
Right.
But if not, maybe I want to develop healthy habit of gratitude, yoga, meditation. It could be anything, mindfulness, right?
Yeah.
You could work with someone. It could be anything, right? It could be a self-help app. It could be a professional to up your game. So
Right.
that I feel more calmer. I know how to control my anger. I'm more confident. I can present my work. बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं कि जब हमें कैमरा के सामने बात करनी होती है या फिर हमें मैनेजर से I start shivering. It's not like I have a mental
Yes.
health issue,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
can I work on it so that I'm better?
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
I look at it both way,
Yeah, like it's
right?
also personal growth thing,
Personal growth.
right? Which will in
Yes,
in general make your mental health
yes,
better, make you mentally more fit to take on the world.
absolutely, absolutely.
Right,
So that
right,
you're
right.
a better parent, you're a better spouse, you're a better
Yeah.
version of just yourself also,
Yeah. You
right?
show up better to do
Yeah,
whatever it is that
yeah.
you want to do. That's yeah, no, that absolutely makes sense. And I really like the point about, if government could in some way support the poorer sections of the society, because Hamari government already, like, we have insurance schemes and everything for
Ji.
poor. Right? If something like that could happen, that would be
Yeah.
amazing, because it is the need of the hour.
Yes,
Right?
yes. We
No,
do some
absolutely.
work with government of Madhya Pradesh. They
Hmm.
said हमारे 51 डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं 51 districts in Madhya Pradesh.
Hmm.
इनकी स्कूल में these are very like what do you say, these are government school. बहुत people from low income background go to these schools etc.
Hmm.
Government sponsored the program. You know,
Right, right,
for a
right,
lot of
right.
these migration workers, I think हम 1 लाख लोगों के साथ काम किए हैं अभी तक across some 20-23 different states of the country, right? छोटे से छोटे जिले कस्बे में, but government do this vocational training. They want to employ and make India more
Yes, yes,
employable.
yes.
They take people from low income background, उनको training देते हैं, उनको placement देते हैं. 40% of the people actually stay in job. Everybody else leave and go back to where they were.
Right,
So
right.
government now has also included us as part of that to provide mentorship support to these people.
Ah,
हम mentorship बोलते हैं वो mental health support क्योंकि you don't want to
Hmm.
use the word mental health with them
because of the stigma.
because of stigma, but it's
Hmm.
mental health support for them, and with that,
So that
you
more of them stay in
stay in
jobs.
jobs. And 75% of them have started staying in jobs because of that, right? And we've been doing that for 8 years now. We
That's
work with
great.
certain foundations to these are people who are getting jobs as one level below nurses, people who are
Hmm.
serving food in hotels,
Right, right.
customer care executives and banks,
Right,
etc.
right, right.
Very entry level job. बहुत छोटी छोटी जगहों से आए हैं.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And you provide them that, help them develop growth mindset, problem solving, decision making skills, and they do well in their jobs.
Good to hear that MP government has taken
So
this
the
initiative.
AP
That's
government initiative is on the school side.
yeah.
The other is a national level initiative. So there
Acha.
are batches. They run these cohorts of 30 people.
Hmm.
The number of people we've supported by now is almost 1 lakh people.
That's
And this
great,
is by
man.
various governments across the country through national
Hmm.
skill development initiatives and
Right,
so on and
right,
so forth.
right. That's great to hear. So
Lot more has to happen.
lot more has to happen. I mean, 1 lakh जो है बहुत ही अच्छा number है, but in a country of 1.4 billion people,
Exactly, छोटा
it's
number है.
like, but शुरुआत तो
शुरुआत
छोटी
हुई
होती है.
है.
So I'm glad कि शुरुआत हो गई है. But so by now you've trained so many people, you've worked with so many people, schools and colleges especially, जहाँ से शुरुआत होनी चाहिए. Schools is the building block of individuals in our society, right? So what is that one thing which you think, Richa, कि schools में हर school में सिखाना ही चाहिए, which would really help in a child's mental health journey, which will really foster resilience, make them take care of themselves better. वो एक चीज और 2-3 चीज जो स्कूल के करिकुलम में ही होना चाहिए. These things should be there.
I think a lot of things around self-care should be there. Understanding self, knowing yourself better. What personality do I have? Because of that, what all can come? What are my triggers? And there's a lot of systematic course around it. आप हफ्ते में एक period भी दे दो, 45 minutes of that.
Hmm.
If it happens consistently, these topics can be taken up again and again in that, and it will be, it can just become a part of the culture of the individualist.
Self-awareness.
Self-care.
Self-care. Okay.
It starts with self-awareness, but what are those self-care techniques I could use, right? It could be mindfulness, it could be journaling, it could be anything. But
Hmm.
उसके लिए what personality I am, right? What are my triggers? What are my coping mechanisms?
Right.
Mental health is, if you look by WHO, is about state of being in which we are able to contribute to the society. We know what our triggers are. We are able to cope up with daily stresses of our life. ऐसा नहीं stress
Right.
चला जाएगा.
Right.
So how do you help somebody know that better, rather
Right.
than अभी क्या होता है फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स पढ़ा कॉलेज में चले गए अकेले हो गए देन यू आर लाइक अब मैं कैसे मैनेज करूं if you would have learned some of these skills this is
Hmm.
like a toolkit you make your toolkit when
Right.
it is required you know which tool to take out
Right.
otherwise
Right.
at that point you can't build your toolkit
Hmm.
right तब तो you probably need a different kind of help
Good
Here-
analogy.
yeah
Hmm.
right जैसे मैं तो ये analogy देती हूँ I don't know if you've ever heard this but if think of you as a pressure cooker ठीक है we are on a flame
Hmm.
घर में आप कम भी कर सकते हो फ्लेम को ज़्यादा भी कर सकते हो
Hmm.
माई एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट इज माई फ्लेम इन माई लाइफ
Right.
आई डोंट हैव अ कंट्रोल कोई वो नहीं होता कम करना है ज़्यादा करना है राइट वो तो कोविड हो जाएगा कोई कैसा मैन आई डोंट हैव
वो
कंट्रोल
ऑटो मोड पे चल रहा
है
है.
ना कि मैनेजर मेरा कौन मिलेगा विल दे अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक दैट
Hmm.
right see one way of too much of pressure happens the pressure cooker could burst
Right.
if there is too less pressure also rice बनेगा ही नहीं
Hmm.
so that optimum level is important
Right.
right but if there is too much of pressure one way of releasing that pressure is through that whistle
Whistle.
सीटी लगा
हाँ.
दो निकल जाएगा right so talking to your friends family member even therapist right having your circle of care जिससे आप
Which can
unapologetically
act as
right
Yeah.
without any judgment आप बात कर सकते हो ताकि it comes out of your system
the whistle.
the whistle right
Hmm.
another way of that is see if you're a 10-liter pressure cooker can you become a 25-liter pressure cooker so that you could handle more right and lot of these techniques of yoga meditation gratitude journaling whatever it is that work it helps you in increasing your capacity it helps you to center for you to know who am I right what am I going after what works for me what doesn't क्योंकि कल को जब आप सोशल मीडिया पे जाके देखोगे ये यहाँ छुट्टी पे गया ये जॉब कर रहा है इट शुड you would know who you are right what are you going and you will not start that would not start putting a pressure on you
Pressure on you.
so I
Correct.
think dono important है schools colleges any level I think that to build your toolkit so that you increase your capacity is equally important when
Right.
there is pressure still you might need to go to a professional or your friends that is okay but that is critical I feel
Basically teaching you to be able to help yourself.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. No, that makes total sense. That makes total sense. Yeah. So what you're doing though, Richa, like so relevant to today's times, right? Sachin, but is this something that you always wanted to do? Like मुझे पता है कि आप IIT गुवाहाटी के आलम हैं and once you are an IIT तो फिर you can get a good placement, you can have a relatively safe lifestyle, right? And parents की भी expectation होती है and you come from Bhopal, right, in MP. So how did you, first of all, what prompted your dost, right? And how did your family react to it, react to this decision of wanting to become an entrepreneur?
Very interesting question. Maybe I'll give you a little bit long answer to that. Right? So yeah, I grew up in Bhopal. I'm originally from Bihar, but grown up, born, brought up in Bhopal. तो मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था honestly IIT वगैरह क्या होता है. But around 10th, my dad came to know about. Dad knew about it, right? But he's like, यहाँ जाना है. ठीक है, चलेंगे. क्या करना होता है इसके लिए? He's like, I figured out Bansal classes बहुत अच्छी है कोटा में. You should go there. And I was a good student, right? I was academically good, but I was also like I used to play table tennis for my state. I used to swim for my state. Drawing paint, जो भी देख लो मुझे अच्छा लगता था ये सब.
Well rounded.
Well rounded. So I said, ठीक है कोटा जाएंगे. So I gave the exam for Bansal classes and I got through. So right after my 10th, just exam खत्म हुए थे in March and I think April we went there. Now, what I was surprised to see, there were a lot of people, I was 91% in 10th. And I thought that was great, right?
Anybody would. I mean, anybody should. Should.
Should. Right?
Yes.
But when I was staying in a PG, there were another 20 people around me. We were 20 capacity or something, 18 to 20 capacity was the PG. I was the lowest in terms of marks, okay? And people would sit and study like 16 hours, 18 hours. Mine was always 7-8 hours. फिर ये भी खेलने भी जाना है, स्टेडियम भी जाना है, and all of those things would happen. But people were studying that. People in their 11th would say हमने तो 12th तक का कोर्स 8th में ही खत्म कर लिया था. Right? I'm like, what are you talking? क्लास में मैं तो पहली बार सुन रही हूँ, right? And they would say things like this, right? And at our time, you could take any number of drops for IIT.
Yes,
So there were
yes.
people who had taken 2 years gap, 5 years gap. right?
IIT और IAS के लिए जो ये गैप वाला फंडा है ना, that's a
Yes.
very damaging thing in the
हाँ.
society.
It has come down. I think now government has said 1 साल. I think that also is a good step, right?
Uh,
But I think I had a friend of mine who was 95% at that time. वो भी भोपाल से गया था. And he couldn't cope up with what was happening around him, right? He went into a lot of depression. Literally, even till now, he's completing his BCom. He's a brilliant student, right? Right after 11th. But he was like, "Ho kya raha hai?" And this took a toll on him. Ki I'm not so good. These people I will never be able to clear IIT. And so my parents also saw that. They said, यहाँ नहीं रहना, वापस चलते हैं, अपन भोपाल में पढ़ेंगे. Right? So all that happened with me. But I think I saw him. Right? I didn't know what is mental health, what is depression, but something did. And I also felt
you
the
realize
pressure there.
कुछ तो गड़बड़
कुछ तो
है.
गड़बड़ है. I also felt the pressure in that system saying, यार, मतलब 5 साल तुम क्यों ड्रॉप लोगे IIT के लिए? But there was, and people were forcing, the classes were also very hectic and so I came back. But I cleared my IIT in my first attempt itself. I went to IIT Guwahati. I think there you realize like everybody is now in IIT. All are IITians around him. So then you realize कि भाई IIT के बाद क्या करते हैं? तो I heard कि job मिलनी है अगर day 0 में मिले तो life is set. I actually got it also. I got one of the best placements that could happen for IIT. But when I was in college, I lost a friend of mine to suicide, right? Somebody would stay 2 room beside my room. हमारे हम लोग बहुत कम लड़कियां थे उस समय इन कॉलेज.
IIT हॉस्टल में कितनी लड़कियां होती हैं?
आजकल फिर भी बेहतर हो गया. हमारी
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
पूरी मतलब all years put together we were 40 people, right? So you would know everybody and somebody would go down and she was just not there anymore, right? She took her life one day and this was before placements started and even before any company had come. And this is all in hindsight, right? What would have happened? But people say that probably because of placement, she thought ki she might not get good placement and this happened. I think that bothered me a lot. मुझे उस समय नहीं पता था काउंसलर्स क्या होते हैं, साइकोलॉजिस्ट क्या होते हैं, साइकाट्रिस्ट क्या होते हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ क्या होता है. आई हैड नो क्लू. मुझे भी ये लगता था कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. इफ यू हैव सम एक्सट्रीम थिंग्स यू गो टू दीज पीपल. हमारे कैंपस में भी थे. आई थिंक बट दैट इंट्रीग्ड मी सेइंग why did this happen? What is that I could have done differently to save her?
Yeah.
My life happened. I got placed. I was working in D-Shaw in Hyderabad. I worked for a startup in Bangalore. I worked a little bit in Germany. I worked a little bit in US as well. But I think wherever I went, right, I did a lot of research also. In fact, I took this up as a project in IIT Guwahati also, saying my final year project, one project that you have to do, saying what. So I said if there could be something. So we did a lot of research with students saying, hey, have you felt this pressure? And almost 80-90% of them said yes. We were saying some मेरे friends हैं, maybe I'm friends with that kind of people. This is not a data to trust. We did a lot of research with people that we didn't know, right? 5,000s of people. The results were similar. They said if there was something where we could speak, I think that will allow us to. There are a lot of times when we feel the pressure, but we are not able to talk to because लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग मेरा मजाक तो नहीं उड़ाएंगे, हमें पता भी नहीं है कौन है counselor, psychologist, etc. Right? When I worked in my previous organization, large companies, small companies, I could see everybody was going through tough and various things, right? Struggling with being a young parent to शादी होने वाली है, thinking about that, doesn't have a boyfriend, have a girlfriend. I think every stages of life, right? मैनेजर को प्रेजेंट करना है, कैसे करेंगे, ज्यूरी है, क्या करेंगे. So
every stage can get stressful to some degree or the
and
other.
You wanted to just talk it out to someone. I think that's when we said, if Puneet is my other co-founder. I met him. He's also my husband now. I met him when we were working at D-Shaw. We both started our journey together. In fact, when he was a gold medalist at NIT Calicut, a Punjabi studying all the way in Kerala, But he didn't get a job for the first 3 months. That put a lot of pressure on him. So like our
Mm.
friends would talk, कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? We were like, यार, if we had something, right, where we understood technology, if we could combine technology and psychology, maybe we could support a lot of people before things
Mm.
got that severe. So that's really how our journey
Journey
really
started.
started. Saying,
Mm.
and that's how we created a platform. We piloted it for some time while we were doing our job. But I think in 2014 we quit our jobs and we said this is what we want to do full time.
Mm.
If it doesn't work, it's okay. We'll go back to our jobs. But yeah, it's our 10th year running. And
Yeah.
you come back to your question of parents, right? I think I wasn't married at that time. We were all in our great jobs. We were earning well. We were doing good job. I loved what I was doing, right? So there was no this thing ki, bhai company achhi nahi hai, boss is. I loved what I was doing, right? In all the companies that I worked with, I really enjoyed. I'm like,
That's a rare thing. So good for you.
yeah. I
Yeah.
was like, मुझे रीजन ही नहीं होता था कंपनी छोड़ने का. Yours was the only reason. Then I said, but if I'm not going to do it now, I would never have an answer if this worked or didn't work. So I did that, right? So but I was not married, so my parents were like, तुमसे शादी कौन करेगा? मतलब I don't think it was more like it wasn't so much what you're doing is we disapprove of.
Hmm.
It was more like they were concerned about my security and safety and that financial security. क्योंकि they're like, see, हम business family से आते नहीं हैं. It's not like we are comfortable, but it's not like we're so well off, right? And you're not working, you're giving away your career. The field you're going into, we've not even heard about something like these things.
Right.
So they were not very happy initially. Though my brother was my rock, he's like, yeah, go ahead, do it. If you will not do it now, when will you do it? And he was also like, ठीक है नहीं चलेगा वापस नौकरी कर लेना. Somebody will give you a
Exactly.
job, right?
Right.
And both Puneet and I felt that we also have a safety net. That IIT degree, Puneet had an IIM degree, gave us that safety net. If we have to
Yeah.
go back, we can easily find something. We might not be at the next level, but where we were and we were doing
You will
well.
be able to start back.
That.
Yeah.
So I think, but when they started, I think few months later, they started seeing the impact. I think they also started seeing we were serious about it. Right?
Right.
कि
Right.
हम
Right.
seriously कर रहे हैं, we are trying to figure
Hmm.
things out. People are getting benefited. I think they are the biggest supporter right now.
Your own attitude does matter a lot in convincing people around
I
you.
feel so. If
Yeah.
you're convinced, no, I think I personally feel ये बहुत I'm not able to do because of somebody else.
Hmm.
I honestly buy that little. It could still be your case, right? There are certain places
Where you can't.
where you
Like,
cannot.
yeah, where you
need
don't have
support.
a lot of agency.
Yeah.
Right? Especially if you're a child, say under the age of 18, you are
Huh.
completely dependent on your family. You don't have agency then.
Yeah.
Or you're a woman who does not have a career or who's in a relationship which is not maybe the best. Right? Then again, you don't have agency. Right? So there are situations where it would be difficult for someone to
Mm.
take agency and do something on their own. But if you are not in that kind of a situation, then you should definitely go for your dreams like you did, because otherwise, what is the point?
Yeah.
Right? Otherwise, who will?
Who
Like,
will, right?
if you won't,
we
who
owe it
will?
to we owe it to
Right?
ourselves, right?
Yeah.
And I feel like then your friends, your family, everybody starts coming back and saying,
Yes.
because they understand you're serious. I don't think their intention is कि इनको पीछे खींचो.
Yeah.
They are worried,
They're
especially your
worried.
parents. Like,
Yeah.
यार क्या कर रहे हो? मतलब they want security for you,
Hmm.
right?
They see the world, no? They see how unreliable it
Yes,
is.
yes.
Right? So they want you to be secure. But at the same time, थोड़ा सा और trust देने की
हाँ.
ज़रूरत है, which also comes with time. It also comes with, like, I feel parents of today might be able to trust their children more,
Yeah.
right? They have more knowledge, they have more resources, multiple things.
Yeah,
वो time भी 10 साल पहले, time really flies, man.
Yes.
That was again
Yes,
a
yes.
different time, right? But yeah, no, I'm sure now they see what you're doing and,
Yeah.
like you say, be
Yeah.
very proud of what you've achieved.
Yes, yes.
Right?
My parents, my sasu ma, my
Ah.
in-laws, they're all like our biggest cheerleaders. And I
Yeah.
also feel like as an entrepreneur, and not just as an entrepreneur, as an employee, as anybody, right, who has there's a different work professional life. I think it's also our responsibility to involve them, right? Sometimes, like I saw, so my mom did that beautifully. She was into administrative services. मेरी दादी ने शायद नहीं इतना पढ़ा था. She didn't have exposure. Right? Mummy will take her to office. देखो ऐसे काम. So she also felt so proud. Right?
Yes.
And mama will be like, यार जैसे my sasu ma also, if I will be like मुझे सुबह जाना है, I can't do this. She's like, you leave all this, I will take care of it, no? और when my son is there, I'm like, इसको मैं कैसे ये भी मैनेज. अरे हम हैं ना, हम करेंगे, तुम वो काम करो जो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. Right?
Right,
So
right. That's
building
great.
that,
That's yeah,
I
yeah,
think it's
yeah.
also building that village around you
Hmm.
is very important for you also.
Takes a village to raise a
Yes.
child and to run a company.
Yes, yeah.
And you have both.
Yes, and I have a wonderful village, I must
And
tell
you're
you, right?
clearly,
And my
clearly.
from my neighbors to my everybody, right? हम कभी कभी होता है
Yeah.
हमको जाना है बहुत अर्जेंट, हम हमारे बच्चे को, हमारे डॉग को, हमारे नेबर्स के यहाँ भी छोड़ के जाते हैं, right?
Ah,
So we
I should take notes here. I really should take notes. But kudos to you for building that village,
yeah,
right? And that brings me to my next question. Also, chota tidbit for people who are watching this. But first of all, congratulations! You're a new mom,
thank
right?
you,
And
thank you so
we
much.
yeah. And I was Insta stalking you, so I've seen like adorable photos.
Insta is all about
Yeah, that is true. Insta is about giving FOMO to people. Yeah.
not so much. You know what? I have a friend whose kid is like 6-year-old,
Hmm.
and now she went to Instagram. The child went to Instagram, and she's like, "Mama, आपने मेरा photo ही नहीं डाला है. Do you not love me?" The day I heard this, I'm like, I was never, if you
No,
look at me, I have no stories on Instagram before Rudra was born. But after that, I put stories on Instagram because I don't want him to come and say, Mama, you didn't love me. You're not
Mm.
even posting about me on Insta.
Surprisingly, this came to my head, and that was the reason I started posting his photos as well. He has very little presence on my Instagram, and the reason was this. I was like, is he not a part of my life? Then why is he not a part of my right Insta life? But yeah. And for the audience though, your son is called Rudra.
Yes.
His name is Rudra, and my son is also named
So
Rudra.
cool.
So big coincidence there. But beautiful name that.
Yes, it's such a
Right?
nice name.
Yeah. I feel like my son has a very energetic personality. यहाँ भाग रहा है, वहाँ भाग रहा है, वहाँ भाग रहा है. And even when I was pregnant, I kind of felt that. तो इस वजह से, उसका नाम Rudra, I felt like it went very well with his personality. Right? And is your son the same way? Or
I'm
is he?
still figuring out his personality.
Yeah.
He's energetic, but I like the name Rudra. And I felt like my thing was I didn't want to keep a long name. I also didn't want to keep a name where people can make spelling mistakes. Right?
Ah.
Like my name is Richa. I've never had anybody make spelling mistake of my name. Whereas my husband's name is Puneet. Somebody will put double E, somebody will put H, and Manuja is the last name. Manjula, Manju. So I was like, see, I can't control the surname, I can control the name. यहाँ पे ऐसा नाम होना चाहिए जो सिंपल हो, लोगों को समझ आ जाए.
Very efficient and very strategic way of naming a child. Right? Mine was completely intuitive. I was like, मेरे दिमाग में 1000 लड़कियों के नाम आ रहे थे, but I had just one name for a boy, and that was Rudra. कोई और दूसरा नाम ही नहीं आया दिमाग में. I was like, ठीक है. हाँ, तो फिर
I wanted R. Puneet, my dog is Penny, and P and P. Puneet and Penny are P and P. I wanted
कोई पार्टी में होना चाहिए.
Up next should be R. So
yeah.
I don't know.
Makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense. You need to even the scales there a little bit, right? So how has Rudra changed your life? Like motherhood is considered to be life-shattering, life-altering, whatever. But how has he changed you, and how has he impacted your work, which you do in the field of mental health, right? So did it bring a different kind of perspective? Because mothers, their mental health goes for a toss often, not always. But postpartum, your health goes for a toss.
Yeah.
Right? So how did that affect your mental health?
So there is both sides to it. I think, like I said, For raising a company, I knew I needed a village, right? So I built that village. And I think for raising Rudra, right from day one, I knew I needed a village, right? From my mother-in-law, who's such a big supporter, to I knew that I need to make sure my husband is contributing well. He's like a 50% proper parent, if not 60%, or maybe he's actually more. But I tell him that this is required. This is what I expect from him, right? I've seen my mom also doing it always, right? And it just went beautifully. ऐसा नहीं है कि पापा भी झाड़ू लगाते थे, मम्मी भी काम करते थे. हमारे घर में ये पिछले 40 साल से हम देख रहे हैं, right? So it was part of what we were seeing it. Nobody, like my mom was working when I was 2 weeks old. Not 2 weeks old, right? She
Wow.
went back to work. But that village for me was very, very critical. It was also important that I take care of my body, right? I take care of myself, not just. Sometimes what happens is everything becomes about the child,
It does.
right?
Yeah.
मुझे किसी ने पहले ही बोला था, अच्छा बाबू के बारे में ही सारी बातें होंगी जब बच्चा आ जाता है. पहले तो when you're pregnant, it's also about you, but
That
once the
is-
child is born, सब कुछ बच्चे के बारे में हो जाता
So
है.
true. So
Right?
true.
So it's
Yeah.
important you tell, ये मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मुझे ये खाना है, मुझे ये करना है. That will bring sanity to you. And I think I did that quite rigorously, right? And having mummy, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my papa, my Puneet, my dog, I think that really helped us. Sab log the ghar mein. And I think we also get, see, it could be both ways. Sometimes when there are so many people in your house and you don't get along, it actually puts a pressure.
Yes,
Right?
yes. Like it happens to women in joint family situations where the family is not supportive, तो फिर तो उनका होना
और मुश्किल हो जाता
हाँ,
है,
और
right?
मुश्किल है,
कि
right?
everybody's like ये मत करो, ऐसे मत करो. Here it was nothing, right? If Richa wants it, it needs to happen that way, right? That's the priority set.
Again,
मम्मी ने
taking
कहा
notes.
है, मतलब I think, and Puneet had said that thing. The day Rudra was born, everybody's like ऐसे करो, वैसे करो, ऐसे feed करो. He's like, why respect, taking everything in. Richa, what do you want? Do you want it like this? If you want it like this, this is how it will happen.
Oh.
Right? If you don't want it like this, we respect all the things that are coming in. But mother is not okay with it. So it's okay. We'll do it later. Right? खाने में ये नहीं खाओ, गर्म पानी पिएंगे, ये कपड़े. So then what he did was he called the doctor right there. He's like, see, हमें ये बोला जा रहा है. आप बताइए क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. Right? And then he looked at me. See, this is what is being said by the doctor. This is what is happening. So before we go from the hospital, right, we have to be clear because I don't want a chaos at home. So I think that really, really helped.
Very
Taking
well
charge
done.
rather than
Yeah.
saying because I felt like that. I've seen my friends, they struggle with that.
Yes.
Because you don't know. It's you don't know, and you're thinking everybody else knows, and then you don't agree to a lot of things.
Yeah.
Right? And then you're like, what is happening? So we used to literally make a list of questions. Everybody, हमारी लिस्ट में चला गया, हम डॉक्टर को मिलने जा रहे हैं ना, पूछ लेंगे क्या होना है क्या नहीं होना है, हमें ये पसंद नहीं है, बट इफ इट हैज टू हैपन वी स्टिल आस्क द डॉक्टर, है ना, कि ये खिलाना है, कान में ये डालना है, तेल डाल दो, लाइक हम पूछ लेंगे होना है, ये खाना इसको खिलाना है, नहीं खिलाना. लाइक I would still eat a lot of food. I love eating, so I would eat a lot of food, right? They'll be like, ये नहीं खा सकते, ठीक है, हम डॉक्टर से पूछ लेंगे. And I think that worked well. What Rudra also brought in, like for me, sometimes extended till 6, 7 would still happen. But I think with Rudra, I want to make sure in the evening, he goes to sleep at 8 o'clock. He sleeps at 8 o'clock. So I want to make sure he's part of all our routines. So हम लोग morning walk पे जाते हैं 6 बजे with our dog. He also comes along in the morning. 8 बजे वो सोता है, तो we ensure we are home by 5 because now we take him to office as well. So he has 5 to 6 is his time with his friends. So he would play. So we are there, and if anything has to be picked up, it gets picked up by 8:30. Unless it's really, really urgent, we don't compromise on that. Right? I had my mother-in-law was there. We have a live-in nanny who lives with us, and she's fantastic. And they are like उसका एक टीम रुद्र है हमारे पास, right? कि किसके साथ वो खेलता है, किसके साथ मस्ती करता है, किसके साथ खाता है. So it's not like everything is one person, and we realize that. right?
So this is like a note-taking session for the entire family, not just for me, but for people who are watching. Husbands, mother-in-laws,
Everybody, this is
father-in-laws,
role
everybody.
clarity is to be there कि किसके साथ
Yes,
क्या करता है,
clearly,
right?
clearly, हाँ.
किसकी इसकी लाइफ में फ्रेंड्स इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो उसकी फ्रेंड्स के पास उसको कौन ले जाएगा, right? It's not like everything is you. नाश्ता कौन कराएगा, खाना कौन कराएगा,
Right,
right?
right.
Because I think sometimes it gets overwhelming also, right? If you have to be around a child 24/7, it's also important for you to say, it's okay, I'm leaving it with you, I trust you, I go and maybe watch a movie, or I'm going with my friends and doing something that I like, right?
Right.
So
No,
defining ki
absolutely.
bhai, it's us time, it's me time, it's you time, it's our time.
Boundaries.
वो थोड़ा हम लोग
And again, that is something which we are not good at. Most of us are not great at creating boundaries. Women in general are a little bit worse at boundaries.
गिल्ट लगता है कि हमें 24/7 कैसे कोई और पाल रहा है मेरे बच्चे, पालना क्या मतलब,
Guilt is a huge part of motherhood. You're constantly guilty. You're doing your thing. You're like, oh, somebody else is taking care of my baby.
Is it okay? Is it not
yeah,
okay?
yeah. Is he okay? Is he not
Yeah.
okay? Even if you trust somebody, you will get that kind of guilt.
I remember
right?
मेरी मम्मी कहती थी है, हम लोग मतलब, so Rudra is small for us to have that conversation with him yet, but my mom did that conversation, right? देखो मेरा ऑफिस का टाइम ये है, right? That's why we would always get up in the morning and have meal in the morning, because my mom was very clear, before I go to office, I want you guys to have had breakfast, I want you guys to have taken bath and have done like a yoga or a running or a walking in the morning. ये मेरे लिए important है, right? If you have problems in the day, भूख लगी है, go ask दादी, you have a, we had a help in the house, ये कर लो, यहाँ रखा हुआ भी है, right? तो वो concept नहीं था कि रोटी तवे से उतर के ही आनी चाहिए, वो रखी हुई है, right? And you can अपना कपड़ा fold करके रखना खुद को है, that's your responsibility, not like I remember one day I left my clothes like this and my dad is like, ये क्या कर रहे हो? पापा मम्मी आके करेंगी ना, मम्मी ये करेंगे आके, अभी फोल्ड कर दोगे ना 1 मिनट में हो जाएगा, मम्मी को आके, मम्मी भी तो इतना काम करके थक के आई होंगी, will she do this, right? And then, but as a family, if you have these conversations, I think that becomes, this becomes just part of who you are. Nobody's like has to tell you to do these things, right? And then mom said, ठीक है, काम stadium जाना है, this is how you will do it. Emotional support anytime you call me. Right? But so some of those systems in place.
Yes, no, absolutely.
Right? Like how you would define a role clarity in the team in the office.
Division of labor. Division of labor needs to be happening in households as well. Mothers can't do it all.
And I think people also love that, right? I feel like
no, children do. Children do love that. Children love to feel useful and needed, and adults कि देखो हम इतनी responsibilities handle कर लेते हैं.
As children, I also feel those adults feel so empowered. Like your grandparents, when you tell them this is your role, they take it so seriously and do it so well. They do it actually much better than you could. I feel so in my life. Right?
And they want to help. They want to help. Once they understand the concept of helping people, once they are old enough to, they want to help, right? So yeah, no, absolutely right. I'm also thinking back to my childhood, and I'm like, yeah, no, I used to love helping my mom, right? And you grow up seeing those things, right? You grow up seeing your mother well supported, or you grow up being somebody who is responsible, who takes care of the people around them, who takes care of themselves. Then that is the adult you become. That is also the kind of things you teach your children then, and you make your life that much easier. Right? So
I mean, and you get to, otherwise you are probably, if you are not happy, you can't make anybody happy.
Yeah, you can't pour from an empty cup, basically.
Yes. So you can't be going back to saying, because of you, maybe when children grow up, you also feel, because of you, I didn't do this, right? That's not is that a feeling you want to have? If not, then maybe it will not be perfect, right? Maybe you're not there for all their 3 meals, but 1 meal is also good enough. 2 meals is also good enough. You're not there for 365 days, but 300 days is also good enough.
That's actually a very important point to mention, because these days, so much of gentle parenting is gentle to the child, but not gentle to the parent at all. right? It's taking so much more responsibility for everything, because now you are completely tuned in and completely aware and completely present and completely there, and of course you should be all of those things, but thoda sa ye gentle parenting apne saath bhi karne ki
Yeah,
zarurat
yeah,
hai, right? Once a while give yourself that love,
yeah,
give yourself that time
yeah,
out,
yeah,
create your village. It might take some time, it's worth investing into,
yeah,
so
yeah,
that you can have
yeah,
some
yeah.
semblance of peace and some semblance of self,
Yes,
right?
yes. And I
On
think one thing we've started doing now, and that's a privilege we have. I don't think that something everybody can do, but I think we've started taking our son to office as well, right? While
yeah.
he plays there, he has a room, one conference room is where he plays, and um, there is this government colony right beside our office. While we don't have like a lush green garden, they do. So we went there and we asked them, will it be okay if हमारा बेटा यहाँ खेलने को आ जाए 1 साल, छोटा बच्चा है? They were like, हाँ, बच्चे को तो दौड़ने के लिए जगह चाहिए। मैंने कहा, हाँ माँ, तो 2000 2500 स्क्वायर फीट का ये ऑफिस है, उसमें 100 लोग काम कर रहे हैं, वो कहाँ आप यहाँ भेज दीजिए ना। सो ही गोज़ देयर एवरी धूप लेने जाता है, इस उसे
Vitamin D.
vitamin D,
He's
he
getting
has
his
made friends
vitamin
and
D.
yes, right?
Yeah.
But I think that also allows us to be like,
Hmm.
we could see him. While we might not interact, we might not spend a lot of time there, but hi, hello, कभी ऊपर farewell चल रहा है, cake cutting, he also comes along. So it also creates,
Yeah.
I think also, I feel like it's about designing a life that we want for ourselves, right? We only have one life.
Hmm.
We should not be like, हमने ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. At least we tried. हो सकता है it might not have happened the 100% we wanted, but शायद if we wanted more help from our partner, our in-laws, our parents, our neighbors, we at least asked them,
Yeah. Push
right?
dala to life jingle ala. Maybe. I think it was some jingle.
Yes.
Right? So, yeah. No, and that's a great example to set for your children as well, right? If they see you creating the life that you want, right? And they learn to do that and
Yeah.
not like follow in
Yeah.
somebody else's dreams or be
Yeah.
a character in somebody else's dreams, but actually try to
Try to do
create
that.
their own,
Yeah. I
right?
actually keep saying, right, 40 years back, if my mom could do this, right, with so much less support, so much less conversations around these, went back to work at 15
Hmm.
days, right, very little help, 2 children at home. Yeah, I am so privileged.
That was a very conscious way of living. So kudos to your mother for doing it at that time, right?
I
Because
think for
आज भी नहीं कर
नहीं
पाते
कर
लोग.
पाते. And
हाँ.
for me, it was never a question of ये कैसे करेंगे, right? Because I've seen that
You've
happening.
seen that
It just
happening.
is. ये तो हो ही
Ingrained
जाएगा.
into
हाँ,
you.
ये कैसे
हाँ.
नहीं होगा,
हाँ. ऐसे ही
right?
तो होना चाहिए.
ऐसे ही तो होना चाहिए. Right? When somebody says it like, अच्छा ऐसा भी क्या? So I think that's also a big difference, right? You have a role model in your house. It's just so much easier for you. And for you, I know, like my friends, they struggle because they don't have anybody that they could ask these questions. It's not ingrained in them, right? Like it's a lot more struggle because you're trying to do it for the first time. Maybe it was for my mom, but for me, I'm like, yeah, ठीक है, थोड़ा like between feeding when I had time, and I also, this is something we purposefully did. हम रहते हैं office के in a place like Bangalore, 4 minutes from office, right? It was very conscious decision, and I
Right.
think घर ले लेते हैं यहाँ शुरू नहीं नहीं रेंट पे रहेंगे पास में रहेंगे. I think that is important,
No, that is
right? So I
important.
don't commute. I don't have to spend time
Yeah,
in
which is
commuting
a big thing, because
Right.
Bangalore mein people commute like 2-3 hours every
every
day,
day, right?
right? Which is just
So easy.
yeah.
And then when Rudra was born, if there was even an important meeting I have to be a part of, between that feeding time of 2 hours, I could still go to office, come back, and
Right,
and it
right,
just
right,
hit.
right.
We also have a dog. She also goes with us to office. She's a CFO of those Chief
See,
Fun Officer.
Chief Fun Officer.
So I think it's about integrating and actually saying what is that I want in my life, and then
Yeah.
actually putting steps in place to make that happen one by one. It might not be 100% what you envisioned
Yeah.
it.
But if you're even 40% there, 20% there, you just
It's
started on that. Still
seriously,
better
it's
than where.
better.
It's better than zero.
Right?
And that brings me to my question around that, right? Very intentionally wanting to create your life, create your village, and that is a great concept, and everybody should do that. But अब सबकी लाइफ में ऐसे elements होते हैं ना which we can't control,
Yeah.
right? And in most people's life, that element is their workplace,
Hmm.
right? Which they can't control. The workplace is in is controlled by the leadership. You can ask for what you want, right? But you might not always get it. And for new moms, I feel, while we have great maternity leave policies, we don't really have great postpartum support.
Yep.
वो नहीं है बिल्कुल
Yep.
भी, right? So for mothers that are coming back to work, right? What kind of gaps do you see in the infrastructure? And honestly, I can just see gaps and gaps and gaps. So I think more appropriate would be, how do you fill those gaps? Like, what can you do to make a mother returning back from motherhood feel more supported and less anxious, much less anxious, because they're leaving their children at home.
Already
Right.
anxious.
Yes, already very anxious. They come back to work. They have they probably don't have the same role as before because they've not been there for 9 months. Right. Uske regarding the uncertainty hai. It's very uncertain situation to come back to. And people often treat mothers as if वो छुट्टियों से वापस आई हैं.
I know, leave.
Right? 9 month, but 6 month maternity leave, you've come back from.
Oh
Wow.
my God,
Jabki
us.
that poor woman is not sleeping right now.
Body is all over the place.
Body is all over the place. Hormones are all over the place. Is probably might have some sort of postpartum depression also, and is very likely undernourished.
Yeah.
Right, because of hormonal changes and then probably breastfeeding and all of that. So yeah, so much going on, but she's treated like chutti se wapas aayi ho abhi. So clearly more sensitivity.
Somebody said maternity vacation से आई हैं. I am like, vacation नहीं होता है वो.
Yeah. So more sensitivity is clearly required. What else? What else do we need to do?
Right. So yeah, there are two ways I look at it. So like, in fact, we presented about this work at White House, actually, United Nations, right? We do have something called Parenthood or Maternity Program, where we support the person for 12 months before the child is born, after the child is born. So the entire 12 months of a journey, from first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, postpartum, etc. Support them in their journey, right? While of course everybody will have a gynac and all of those things, here we try to support them emotionally, right? Because imagine somebody who might have had a miscarriage, their journey of pregnancy also might be very difficult. Right. Somebody who might not have a very supportive family, their journey might be very difficult. How is your body treating you, right? You have all these, like I had a easy pregnancy, right? Whereas I know my friends didn't have it. They had bed rest and they could not do this, they could not eat this, that, right? Child who might be born is in NICU, and it could be anything, right, that you're going through. So we do provide one-on-one support with these. We have a specialized program where there is mental health experts, there is a lot of support, resources, etc. to support them in that journey. Right. While some organizations we work with opt for these programs, and so beneficiary here is the individual, also the partner, right? Saying how could you support, right? Also their manager. Saying how could you, because a lot of times again intention might not be wrong, but they don't know how to deal with this. सामने वाले ने ये बोला तो मैं क्या बोलूँ, right? Should I give them less work? Should I give them more work? Should I, if they said, I'm breastfeeding and I can't join this meeting, what should I say? Right. So also sort of trying to educate them and so that the women comes back into the workforce better. And of course, so with organization support, and Vodafone has done a great, Vodafone Ideas, the V has done a great job on it. And and with these programs, we've seen actually India's average is 27% women return back into workforce post-maternity.
What?
In this organization, we've seen 96% women coming back into the workforce post-maternity.
Oh.
Right? So I think support makes a lot of difference. Workplace needs that. I think it all comes to that wellness as a concept. If I have more women, and that's an important area for me, then that should be a plan for my wellness. Right? Educating the individual, of course, but also their support system, their environment, their managers, the organization itself, right? But I also feel like, again, go back to what I said, right? Cultivating your own mind is your responsibility. Similarly, at workplace also, I feel like a lot of startups, if you ask for your dost also, we do not have a lot of young women or young mothers in the workforce. There are mothers who might have children who are grown up, or there are more in the experts who are a psychologist, etc., but they work from their home,
They don't
right?
have to come into the office.
Office. Or there
Yeah.
are certain male who have very young children. So we do not really have a feeding room or a maternity room, so to say.
Right,
Right.
right.
But tomorrow, if somebody is coming and they are coming back into the workforce, and that is,
Hmm.
I think, it is important for us to recognize that they need it.
Hmm.
But I think it's also okay for the individual to go and say, hey, can I use one of the conferences room for pumping, for example? Right?
Hmm.
I doubt. Um, I doubt anybody
I don't
will
think
say no.
anybody,
Right?
yeah, I don't think anybody would say
Say
no,
no.
but I also don't think anybody would ask.
Why not? I know a person. In fact,
Hmm.
she's an entrepreneur herself, right? An entrepreneur 20 years back, right?
Hmm.
She's like, this is how maternity room got created in my office.
Somebody
I
went and
said,
asked.
right?
Ah.
You see Sheryl Sandberg, right? Google.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes,
They're
yes.
like, our parking was very far apart, right? When I was
Mm.
pregnant and I was 8 months pregnant coming to office,
Mm.
I had to walk so much, right? I
Yeah.
went to Larry and Sergey and I said, give me a parking spot which is the closest, and it was reserved for me. They
Mm.
said, oh, we never even realized this was
That
a
this
problem.
could be a problem. Yeah.
Right?
But definitely, you
Sometimes
should.
I think that's also that village. Village is not just outside. I feel we could do that. Maybe that one person is insensitive.
Hmm.
But like I'm saying, even when my parents were little this thing about me getting into entrepreneurship, my brother was a support system. Right?
Hmm.
In family also, maybe there are 5 people who are against, but there'll be 1 or 2 people you'll figure out who are your champions or some support system.
Hmm.
Similarly at work also. There
Hmm.
might be some senior person in the team. It could be male, it could be female.
Yeah.
Right? Seeing them maternity room, or like I have done this a lot of times when women apply to us for job, and they might be say, I remember this one particular incident. She was applying for, I think, product manager job, and she has a child who's 5-year-old. She's like, but my husband is not here this week, and my, I think, mother-in-law is also not there. I can't leave the child alone and come, so I won't be able to give interview. I'm like, this round is important for us because we are already sort of evaluating 4 or 5 people, and you are an important person that. But I think more than so, I told her all these things early on, right? And then she said, "Ki my child is young, and I can't leave and come, and I can only do it online." I'm like, "Neha, this is an important core role. We would want to see you in person." But then I asked, "Why can't you come?" And then she said, "कि मेरा बच्चा छोटा है." हमने बच्चे को लेके ऑफिस आ जाओ. मतलब बाहर बैठेगा, रिसेप्शन पे बैठेगा, देखेगा मम्मी को, शायद यहाँ काम करेगी, थोड़ी मैगजीन देखेगी. See, a child which is 1 year, 18 months, 6 months, I understand, right? But I have also seen, here I was telling the person, right? That person didn't ask me. But I've also seen some women who said, like, I invited that person only. But when she came with a child, and the child has color pencil, and the बच्चा वहाँ पे बैठ के कुछ कर रहा था. Right? So I think it's also about us. Some places it might not work, but if I like 80-90% it will work.
मतलब पूछ के तो देखो
पूछ
पहले.
के तो देखो.
पूछ के देखो.
है ना?
क्या पता चल जाए. It might work,
It
right?
might
Because
work.
people might not have thought that this is
Thought is
something that you
important.
need. That's an important thing, definitely. But it's also that often women will not feel comfortable enough to ask. Only that I think, थोड़ा खुद के अंदर से आएगा और थोड़ा over time society में changes होंगी.
If you will have more role models like this, it will become easy. I know when I
Yeah.
went to the president and I had a 1-year-old, वहाँ 1 year भी नहीं, 3-4-5 महीने का था उस समय. I think more women, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला, हमने तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं पूछने का. वरना हमें लगता है वो बोल देंगे आप भी मत आइए, हम किसी और को बुला लेते हैं.
Right. Assumed.
Assumed.
Assumed the worst.
Assume the
Like when you
worst.
assume the worst, you should also assume the best.
Yeah.
Right.
हमारी अभी मीटिंग थी at Amar Raja, just I think a month back, right? And Puneet's mom is not here, and we didn't want to leave Rudra with the nanny because this was in Hyderabad. We have to travel and come back. So we were like, I asked him, I'll bring my nanny. She'll be outside with him. थोड़ा आवाज आएगा, but will that be okay? He actually went ahead, gave us a room, such a nice room, made arrangement for cab, etc. And he was beautifully taken care of, right?
Right.
Much more than I could have asked for.
Right.
And this is a human kid, right? I also have a dog. हम एक बार मीटिंग के लिए तिरुपति में गए थे. for a meeting at one of the colleges, and we couldn't. Penny wasn't doing well. We didn't want to leave her, so we drove with her for the meeting. It was Puneet, me, and only her. वहाँ पे we asked their staff. She's a nice, friendly dog. Will you be okay 1 hour till the time we meet director? If you just see, they were so happy. They were like, yeah, खेलेंगे हम इसके साथ. So
Right,
taking
right,
that leap
right.
of faith, I think there are enough good people and who are there to support you. थोड़ा हमको
So-
पूछना पड़ेगा.
So hopefully the people who are watching the women who are watching this can keep this in mind कि पूछ
पूछते
लो,
रहो, पूछने में
पूछ
क्या
लो.
है? कोई क्या
पूछ-
नहीं बोलेगा, ना बोलेगा, कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ,
वो तो हमने वैसे ही अज्यूम किया था.
Exactly. हम assume करके बैठे ही हैं, पूछ के पता लगा ही लेते
लगा
हैं
ही
क्या
लेते हैं.
होगा. Right. I know that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. So, Richa, when we talk about mental health in India, already it's such a new thing. We've still made quite a bit of progress in the last 10 years, thanks to your dost also. But men's mental health is still something that, like, it's at the bottom of the discussion, right? They don't talk about it. So it largely gets ignored, right? Like, men don't like to talk about their mental health so much. It's still, again, the stigma that we talked about is more for men, right? So, because you've worked so much across age groups, what do you think are some of the biggest issues that men face when it comes to their mental health?
Yeah, I think as a society, Amitabh, one of the things I've seen is men don't cry. मर्द हो तो रोते नहीं हैं, अपने emotions को. I think that narrative stops a lot of people from seeking support. However,
Absolutely.
I think that's getting better. See, I think we all have to realize we are humans. Humans are vulnerable, right? That's what makes us human. There's going to be up, there's going to be down, and it's okay to talk about it. I think so. We have a technology platform, right? Or those people could be anonymous. They could call themselves Superman, Batman, and seek support. Video, telephonic chat, 24/7. The reason I'm telling you, while data says more women talk about their mental health issues, or in general talk about mental health in general, on your those we see more men reaching out for support because it's anonymous. It's available 24/7. We can sort it out, right?
That
So-
makes sense.
Yeah. So I think the focus has to be, I think, more around that they are also humans. They can also be vulnerable, right? Their job is not just to be breadwinners. I think it's a core responsibility we are taking. I know Puneet always says, Richa, मैं रिटायर जाऊंगा, तुम काम करते रहना, तुमको तो अच्छा लगता है काम करना ना, तुम लोग, मुझे कोई इश्यूज नहीं है, तुम कमाना, मैं खाऊंगा. I have no insecurity to that.
My husband has the same mindset.
Right? And it's okay. I think
Yeah.
on the other hand, I've also had men who are negotiating their salary. I think this is one of the reasons they give. I need more than this because my wife is earning this much. I'm like, what is that logic? Right? It's both of you earning together. It's not like because she is at a package of 10 lakhs, so I should get 12 lakhs.
They actually say that.
They say that, right? So I think that's ingrained that I have to be the provider. I have to be more on these. I can't show my emotions. I have to be strong, macho.
I can't be vulnerable.
Right? Like, and a lot of our movies, etc., have depicted in that way. So, wo thoda sa, I think, as a culture, I think it's getting better, right? With more men sharing about that they're also humans. They also have feelings, right? Of care, love for their children, for their spouses, for their workplaces, etc. I think it's getting better.
Yeah, but how do we help them? Because it's still at a very nascent
Awareness
stage.
and education, I feel like that's the only thing. We need to talk about it more. Talk about men's mental health. And I think now I'm seeing, especially with November 14th is
November 14th was-
is Children's Day. 18th is men's 19th or 18th November is men's day.
Oh, so tomorrow the day after, something like that.
Haan,
Yeah.
So there is a lot more conversations around being, so we call it being human. MAN in bracket. Right? No, it's not just being man, it's being human.
Being human.
Right? And talk about this and share stories. Like women needs role model, men also need role model.
Yes.
Right? People are not just like
yes.
saying just be, you have to be ruthless, you have to be this. If you're dad, you can't change nappy. हमने तो हमारे ज़माने में कभी नहीं किया था. I know when Puneet was changing nappies, everybody was congratulating him. Saying, hey,
For
you know
doing-
what? We
doing
never did
basic.
that, Marika. It's nothing that you should congratulate. It should be something you didn't do which was bad. What he's
Right.
doing is normal.
Yeah, and that's
Right?
quite normal. Getting congratulated for doing basic parental task in case
Task,
of men.
right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
he was in the hospital in the night when the Rudras. Wow, he was in the hospital. I'm like, if he's not going to be there, who's going to be there? Right? It's his job to be there. But I think I remember my mom saying that, okay, पापा झाड़ू लगा रहे थे एक दिन. So पापा इज लाइक, मैं देखो झाड़ू भी लगा देता हूँ. आपका घर है, आप झाड़ू नहीं लगाओगे तो कौन लगाएगा? She was not like, oh, I'm so thankful to it. She's like, I'm thankful, but isn't both of us? वो झाड़ू लगा रहे थे, मम्मी पोछा, और वो झाड़ू पोछा लगा रहे थे, मम्मी रोटी बना रही थी. I think this is how in COVID they had to distribute it, right? So and then they were like, well,
I'm
I'm
loving
just
this
saying.
division of labor at your place. Seriously, very inspirational. I hope people who are watching this also find it very, very
My
inspirational.
dad is very good at आटा गूंदना is पापा का काम, रोटी बनाना is मम्मा का काम, बर्तन साफ करके लगाना is पापा का काम, उसमें सर्व करके देना मम्मा. So they had very nicely distributed stuff.
Nice. That's ये बहुत important चीज है. And surprisingly, I feel like doing all of this would actually help men's mental health also.
I think all of it, right? So
Right.
men also need to see more men doing it. Otherwise, they feel
Yeah.
like whoever even wants to do it,
Hmm.
I'm the only one, right?
Right.
Which is not the case, right? I think in the West, there are a lot of men who contribute. I think data says India में there are less men who contribute.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
They're
They're still being manly.
Yes. तो वो थोड़ा सा कॉन्वर्सेशन की वनरेबल होना, बात करना फीलिंग्स के बारे में. समटाइम्स दे आर मोर स्ट्रेस्ड इन द जॉब बिकॉज दे फील लाइक दे हैव टू बी देयर. वो नहीं तो हम क्या करेंगे?
वो नहीं तो क्या करें? This is very
Right?
true.
Whereas women actually feel like it's okay. ये नहीं तो हम कुछ और
हम
करेंगे.
और कुछ कर लेंगे. Women are more flexible at, this is not working for me. I can give it up versus men who will stick it out in toxic jobs because और क्या करेंगे? ये तो उनको करना. If not this,
Yes.
what will they do? There is no other value they
Yeah,
provide.
yeah.
That becomes a problem. And I think as a society, that's what we need to be like. कि you are valuable in
Yeah,
itself.
yeah.
तुम नौकरी कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छी बात है.
बात है.
नहीं नौकरी कर रहे हो
तो
अगर, या
भी
कुछ
अच्छी
और
बात
कर
है.
रहे हो,
मतलब as a family we decide
हाँ, we'll decide.
कि थोड़े दिन
Correct.
तुम नहीं काम कर रहे हो, it's okay. थोड़े दिन मैं नहीं काम कर रही हूँ, it's okay. थोड़े दिन हम दोनों काम कर रहे हैं, that's also okay. Right?
Yeah. और तुम अगर झाड़ू पोछा लगाओगे तो that's also okay.
Absolutely. घर में अगर काम करना है दूर. In
Yeah,
fact,
yeah.
Puneet and I during the time of COVID, I actually went up to him and I said, मुझे लगता है मैं घर का काम ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ, तुम कम कर रहे हो. So he's like, तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है? मुझे तो लगता है मैं ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ. So he's very analytical and he's very data driven, right? And
Spreadsheet बना दी.
तो हमने literally we made a spreadsheet with the tasks that we do and the amount of time we spend on it per day, right? Or per week. So that's how it came to. Some things are weekly, some things are daily.
Daily,
है ना?
right.
तो फिर हमने बनाया and it came कि मेरा 5 hours spent was or 2 hours spent on a week was more. Then we distributed, right? So that it becomes
Oh
equal,
my god.
right? I don't talk about these things, but he had actually went and put this up in online and I'm like, तुम ऐसी शीट थोड़ी, उसमें लिखा है बर्तन, झाड़ू, बेड बनाना.
I think we should get Puneet, your husband, and your dad on the couch someday to talk about division of labor in households.
Yes,
Right?
absolutely.
Yes, and inspire men into
Yes.
how this will really help them with their
Yeah.
mental health also, and in feeling more
Feel
like
more connected, right? Like when
Yeah.
Rudra was born, he was few days old. One of my
Hmm.
auntie was visiting, and she picked up Rudra, and she's like, "Photo खींचते." So uncle said, "No, I will not pick up." And she passed that comment. तुमने तो अपने बच्चों को भी नहीं उठाया, तो तुम
Oh,
कैसे इधर उठाओगे, right?
very
And
common, very
they have
common.
grandchildren, so that's like
Hmm.
where I don't want anybody to pass that comment. I would never pass that comment to Puneet, right? I'm like, तुमने भी बहुत उठाया, मैंने भी बहुत उठाया.
Right,
So I
right,
think
right.
both of us needs to come together. It's co-parenting, right? It's not only one person's child.
Yeah, and you're right. That will help them feel more connected
Connected.
and valued beyond
Valued,
just
what?
yeah, valued beyond just
Yeah,
their
and
work.
just okay to say, भाई मैं यहाँ पे मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, घर में भी बाहर भी. Sometimes they also get sandwiched if family में people are not getting along with each other because they are like ये मेरे parents हैं, ये मेरी wife है, I'm in between, but they can just like try to bring everything together. I think that's a big
Yeah.
skill that we all need to develop for
Yes.
our own sanity. Have that village. I think I keep going back to that.
Yeah.
At home, at work, in your cities, right? A lot of times our families are not in our cities.
Yeah. No. So I think for most people in urban
It's
cities,
not.
that would be the case. And that skill traditionally was a woman's skill of bringing people together,
And
families
it
together.
happened automatically, right? ऐसे आप लोग
Automatically,
घर ये
yes.
हमारे 6 जनरेशन से सब लोग साथ में रह रहे हैं तो आप
हाँ.
जानते हो स्कूल सेम होंगे so you have so much things to talk. You
Hmm.
have to consciously
You
put
have
in
to do
effort.
it. Right. And needs to be done by both men and
And
women.
women.
Yes. No, absolutely. So important, this whole thing about men's mental health, right? It definitely needs to be a bigger conversation. And we'll do what we can. But on this note, we are going to make this podcast a little bit more fiery. And we'll जो कॉफी विद करण का टाइम टेस्टेड ट्रेडिशन है रैपिड फायर का जो हम बचपन से देख रहे हैं. I think it's 2004 or something, right? Yeah, so I am going to honor that tradition now, and we are going to do a quick rapid fire round with you.
Sure.
And Richa, it's got to be fiery, man. Right? Bring all the fire, bring all the guns. Okay, and I don't want to make any mistakes, so I'll be reading the questions from my very not sexy printout notes.
Questions, yes.
Yeah, right. So, are you ready?
Mhm.
Right? Do I need to do
No, I'm
get
ready.
set go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, चलो. Okay, so number one is कि वो कौन सा number one mental health myth है जो आप खत्म करना चाहते हैं?
Yeah. That it is only for stressed, depressed people who have clinical condition. I think mental health is fun. It's engaging. It's an everyday thing for all of us to be better, just to be a better version of ourselves.
That's love that. Mental health पे based कौन सी book आप सबको recommend करेंगे? One book, 2 books, it could be anything really, or movies or whatever. Really.
There's some nice movies. I don't know. See what stages in your life you are in. If you're a parent, there's this book called the book I wish my parents would have read. Something like that. It's called.
We'll cross-check that and put that in the description.
Yes,
I'll
yes.
ask you which one that is.
Your
We'll do
children will thank that you read this book. Something like that is the name. Right? If it is around, I read a lot of Robin Sharma books. There's a book around family wisdom also. I really like that. Who will cry when
Who will cry when you die?
That's also a very nice book.
Right.
I read a lot of. So I think again, which stage you are in, there are a lot of books which inspires you to take care of yourself.
Right.
Yeah, some of
We
these-
can mention some of them in the description. And for the audience, for me personally, watch Inside Out. Like that's a great film on mental health.
Yes.
Right. So people should
Yes.
watch that if they've not.
Yes.
And आपकी favorite mental health self-care activity क्या है?
Gratitude.
Do you
I try
journal?
to- I practice it every day. Not necessarily through journaling. I think there is a way in which every day in the morning, I make my son also to do that. Like 3 to 4 minutes, we would reflect on the previous day, what went right for us, right? Maybe somebody gave us a permission to take a walk in the lawn, or we took a, so we didn't get traffic on the road. I think it allows us, or my cook made such a good food. Or something got done because my team was amazing, right? Or Puneet did something which was really, really kind of him. My parents did that, or we had a very nice conversation with my mother. So every day we reflect on the previous day and we just say thank you on that.
No.
That's an everyday thing.
That's a great one. Again. Okay, this is a fun one. So if your dost had an ambassador, a celebrity ambassador, right? Which celebrity would you pick?
Wow, that's that's a very deep question. Celebrity ambassador. I know it was a mascot. Who would I pick? I'm still thinking who's the celebrity.
Go ahead. Tell
ambassador.
us what mascot would you pick? Chalo, let's do that then. Who would be your dost ka mascot? Or what would be the mascot? Yeah.
Krishna.
Okay.
Yes,
Ah.
like I don't know if you read Gita, but he says that he takes care of his children, however good, bad, whatever stage you are in. If you sort of reach out to you, he'll be there for you. You have to have that faith and support. I feel like we want to create that safe space where if people reach out, we will try our best to support them. But have
That's
that
sweet.
faith and actually have that faith in taking care of yourself.
Right. No, that's very apt actually. And oh, this one is another fun one. Because we're living in the times of Gen Z. So what emoji would you be if you were an emoji? Describe
Sorry,
yourself.
I have no idea. I don't know what so many emojis.
What? There's a dancing emoji. Like, there are so many emojis. There's shoe. There's the umbrella. Those are objects. But you can be any.
I think I'll be a nice smiling emoji. That's about it.
Yeah, peaceful.
Peaceful,
Yeah,
calm.
not stressed out. That would be you.
Yeah, calm, happy with, content with, very appreciative of the life I've got. I think God has been very kind to me. I
The
think
one with
that's-
eyes closed and smiling. That.
yes. ऐसे
that.
करके जो आता है,
ऐसा है शायद emoji.
ऐसे
I'm not
करके
sure.
ये करते हैं.
Okay. Got it. वो वाला मैं सबसे ज़्यादा use करती हूँ. ठीक है. और if there's just one thing that you will change, there's just one thing in the field of mental health in India, what would that be?
I think I'll just do a lot more awareness. One thing in the field of mental health in India that I would change, I think I would make the education of mental health professionals a lot more, what do I say, practice driven, a lot more rigorous.
Right.
Because I feel like in India, the levels are very different of mental health professionals. There are certain places where you have phenomenal education system, very, very field driven. They actually see cases. That's how they learn. They do apprenticeship, internships, etc. There are some places where it's not. And what happens with
Right.
mental health? It's a very closed door environment, right? It's just between you and the counselor. And people anyways talk less about it, so they don't even share or they don't know what is that experience is a right experience. So I think that bringing even up, that's why we have an academy where we train a lot of professionals so that they could be better. Also, probably maybe one more thing in India, so in West, everybody mandatorily goes through supervision. It is mandatory, because they take a lot of negativity, right?
Right.
It should not be, maybe I had a fight at home, or I'm not getting along, I'm facing challenges in my relationship. In my case, I should not be,
You should not be bringing that.
right?
When you're
There's
talking
a
to
transference,
a-
there's a counter, there's a word for that transference, right? You should not bring those things, right? And that's why you have supervision, saying, did you follow the right therapy technique? Did you use the right way? Did you